Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'll be reviewing Chainsaw Man. It is by Bandai. The front of the box shows the character with like a machete on his face, like a large machete, and two knives on each arm. Yeah, and I don't know what's the character look like, or describe. Looks like a skull. I mean, I'm not sure. Can't really see it. Alright, guys, let's unbox this. Alright, guys, they gave me only a box. That's about it. So, yep. One box. Like a divider for it. And figure, stand, the head of the machete, and two hand with the knives on it. Alright, guys, let's open top, I guess. It doesn't matter, I guess. Alright. Alright. Here's the figure. Alright, let's take the stain out. Alright, take the head out. And the two-hand we got one. Oh crap, have to open another hole. Alright, here's the second hand. Alright guys, once I took the figure out, looks like this. Really good detailed. Very, it looks pretty, you know, high detailed and stuff like that. It's very high detailed. And it's like a modern look to it. I mean, it's not it's not like a classic, you know, look to it. Looks, you know, kind of like bland, but it's not. You can see the back of the coat, the lining, the stitchings and stuff like that. Like the collar. Or let's take a closer look at the head. The face. Very smooth surface. The face is pretty detailed. The knife is more detailed than the 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 body and the head compares all when it compares all together. All right, let's put in the head. Does that contain a hole in here? And a little plug right here. Like a square thingy. And okay, let's put the head in there. Let's plug it up, baby. All right. Same thing. Alright, put in the right side now. Man, I like how it, it already came out already. Look how dope it is, man. Pretty dope. Does come with like a, like a stand, like stand it's pretty plain, not much to it. Has like a matte finish to it. The the finish of the paint job is on this, has like a matte finish too. Alright, let's put this in there. Alright, we are done. And voila. Super dope. I think it's actually pretty cool, man, once it's finished. Does have like a blade under his chin. Sharp blade thingy. There's like a emblem on his hat, like a cloud, like a Dragon Ball Z. You know what I mean? Like the emblem, cloud thingy. Can't really see it. It's like gold or silver. Yeah. I like how it turned out once it's all finished. Super dope. All right, guys. Let's talk about this. Okay, guys. Let's talk about this product now. First, I was looking at on eBay and check up on the stuff and the styles and about it, and there were some couple of them, and when I first thought about it, are like detailed stuff and stuff like that. But this one's have like a modern look to it. I guess it's fine. I guess, I mean, because it's right now it is 2024, and hoping to see more uh, more modern stuff maybe, because I'm kind of sick of looking at detailed stuff. I mean, lots of details. Yeah, there are other figures that are, seemed like a lot more, complicated. I mean, lot more of, details. But this one's, I think this one is good. The other ones is like, I think, I just like the older versions. But this one's still good too. If I were to, give this thing a rating, I would, give this one like a 4 out of 5 easily. Anyways, guys, I've never seen this anime, or you know what I mean. A friend, just gave this to me. I just, I just want to do like a review on it, I guess. Like I never know about the story either, so yeah. Yeah, I like how the arm, crosses across the body, doing like a, you know what I mean, arm pose, crossing the arms. Like, look how cool that is. It has like a hat, like a captain's hat, and wearing a trench coat. The, um, the outfit is kind of like a dark blue, from top to bottom. It is like a wearing like a trench coat, gray Mandarin shirt, gray colored, Mandarin shirt. It's like if you know what a Mandarin shirt is, it is like Wi-Fi connected. It is like Asian, shirt, long time ago. In the price, it is like 1970. That's the last price I checked online. So yeah, I think this is what this is cost. Anyways, guys, I didn't buy this product, so yeah. Anyways, guys, if you guys want to know more of this products, I'll be putting more information down of this video for you guys to check out. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Alright, guys, thanks for watching this video. Okay, guys, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be seeing everyone in the next video.